Good evening, all. You're watching the news now, and I am Bindya with the English Bulletin. Let's have a look at the headlines first. President Ramnath Kovind to visit Uttar Pradesh tomorrow. 2 convocations and Ayodhya visit on cards. India becomes world's second most attractive manufacturing hub, overtakes America. Taliban warns US, says will not allow any Afghan professional to go out of the country. India Kazakh to start Kazind 21 joint training exercise to begin from August 30th. And India leads World Test Championship table with 14 points. And now the news in detail. Indian President Ramnath Kovind will reach Lucknow tomorrow on his 4-day visit to Uttar Pradesh. This is his second visit to the state within 2 months. Apart from Lucknow, the president will visit Gorakhpur and Ayodhya during his 4-day visit. The president will first attend the 9th convocation of Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University in Lucknow and then will participate in 3 programs in Lucknow on August 27th that include the unveiling of the statue of former Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Sampurnanand and the 26th convocation of Sanjay Gandhi Medical College. On August 28th, President will reach Gorakhpur to lay the foundation stone of Mahayogi Guru Gorakhnath Ayush Mahavidyalaya. He will also inaugurate Gorakhnath University. Ayodhya will be the most important and last stop where the president will visit the construction site of Ram Temple. Apart from this, the president will start developmental works by Uttar Pradesh Tourism and Cultural Department in Ayodhya, in addition to the restoration work of Tulsi Smarak Bhavan, the developmental work of Nagar Bus Stand and Ayodhya Dham. Despite the corona epidemic downfalls, India has pushed America back in manufacturing. According to the information, India has become the second most preferred manufacturing hub in the world after China, pushing America to number 3. Canada stands 4th, Czech Republic 5th, and Indonesia 6th in the most sought-after manufacturing destinations. In this month of Muharram, when the Muslim community mourns the Karbala war by taking out mourning processions, the Noorul Huda Welfare Foundation has come out with a medical facility camp for the mourners who get injured in the mourning procession. The NGO organized a free medical camp among the Darbal in Bemina, Srinagar. Locals, while appreciating the drive, called it a move towards the cause of humanity.
से जो आज यहाँ पे कैंप मुनाकिद किया गया उससे बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हो गया यहाँ पे मोरनर्स को, क्योंकि यहाँ पे उतनी बेसिक मेडिकल फैसिलिटी नहीं है। तो इसकी वजह से जो यहाँ पे ट्रस्ट जो नूरुल खुदा ट्रस्ट है, इनकी वजह से जो यहाँ पे मुनाकिद किया गया बहुत ज़्यादा फ़ायदा हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा शुक्रगुजार है, क्योंकि ये जो काम कर रहे हैं बहुत ही नेक काम कर रहे हैं और इंशाल्लाह यहाँ पे ज़रूरत होती है और मैं चाहता हूँ कि इनका काम दिन ब दिन बढ़े इंशाल्लाह रमा और हम सब का जो साथ है हमेशा।
In face of looming threats to the petty blast, the Chief Agriculture Officer Ganderbal has constituted a joint diagnostic team to inspect affected areas. As such, a team headed by Subdivisional Agricultural Officer Ganderbal Farooq Ahmed Butt and Agricultural Extension Officer Gulbagh Irfan Gul visited agriculture zone in Ganderbal today and provided on-spot instructions and suggested measures to the farmers to combat the crop disease. The team will also launch awareness programs in every zone of agricultural subdivision, besides distributing literature among the farmers. A micro-solar electrification project was inaugurated at Jabri, an isolated village located next close to the line of control, where people often used to get an erratic power supply due to heavy snowfall during winters. This micro-solar electricity grid is set up by a collaborative effort of the Indian Army and Asim Foundation may provide enough power to houses and charge mobile phones during the night. In addition, a LAN Wi-Fi based arrangement was set up at Women Empowerment Center to enable students of class 8 to attend online classes during lockdown. A central server along with mobile phones and electronic tablets have been gifted to the government middle school for the purpose. The software has been developed by IIT students who are working as volunteers with the Asim Foundation.
आने वाले समय में हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला करके इस प्रगति के रास्ते पर, इस विकास के रास्ते पर चलते रहेंगे। मैं आज हमारे बीच में आए हुए मेहमान कर्नल ग्रेवाल साहब जो डिव से हमारी 28 डिव से आए हुए हैं, और साथ साथ असीम फाउंडेशन के मिस्टर सारंग गुसावी जो प्रेसिडेंट हैं, और वाइस प्रेसिडेंट मिस संस्कृति बापट, उनका भी अभिनंदन करता हूं कि उन्होंने जबड़ी में आकर हमारा मान बढ़ाया।
Jammu and Kashmir, known for its agriculture and unique vegetation, is again in news as a Jammu farmer will now be growing the world-famous dragon fruit here. Yes, it may surprise all of you to hear this, but Harbans Lal Chaudhary from Dumana has revolutionized the farming stream of Jammu and Kashmir. Harbans Lal Chaudhary volunteered for the orchard building initiative and technical as well as financial support from Horticulture Department Jammu, and with his unending efforts raised the orchard to be one among the international levels. Calling Dragon Orchard a financial boom, Harbans Lal said that dragon fruit cultivation can earn up to 1.5 lakh per canal per season, and suggested farmers to turn towards this farming and earn cash and fame together.
15 मतलब 11 कनाल का फ्रूट का ये ड्रैगन फ्रूट का फार्म लगा रखा है। सबसे पहले मैंने 2000 फरवरी 19 में 5 कनाल लगाया हुआ है, तो जिसका बहुत ही अच्छा फल आ गया है। तो ये 3-4 बार पहले भी तोड़ चुका हूँ, लेकिन अभी कम से कम भी 2 क्विंटल, कम से कम भी 2 क्विंटल माल होगा। तो इसका जो मार्केट रेट है मैंने पता किया है, 200 से लेकर 250 रुपये किलो होल सेल रेट है। तो ये बहुत ही अच्छी वैरायटी है, ये बाहर से भी लाल है और अंदर से भी लाल है। तो ऐसा जो भी है इंडिया में इंपोर्ट हो रहा था वियतनाम से, तो ये इंडिया में अभी फर्स्ट टाइम इंडिया से एक्सपोर्ट हो गया। जो दुबई और बहरीन और इंग्लैंड में फर्स्ट टाइम हमारे इंडिया से मतलब महाराष्ट्र से बाहर गया इंपोर्ट।
In 2 different cases of alcohol and drug peddling, the Pampore police arrested 2 persons in Pulwama district. According to the police, 2 persons were arrested in 2 separate cases during a search operation at a checkpost near JKEDI Pampore, and about 35 bottles of liquor were seized. The family members of Umar Qayyum, who allegedly died in the police custody 11 years ago on 25th August 2010, staged a protest in the press enclave Srinagar today. The sister and father of Umar Qayyum demanded justice on the case registered in Umar's death. The family members said that even after 11 years, only a case has been registered, but no justice has been delivered as yet.
रोज़ जाना पड़ता था। उसके बाद 8 साल बाद FIR काटा गया, लेकिन अब पता नहीं कोर्ट भी क्यों खामोश है कि 42 डेज़ की अगर इन्हें मोहलत दी गई थी, इन्हें क्यों नहीं 42 डेज़ के बाद बोला गया कि चार्जशीट कहाँ है, जबकि 3 साल और बढ़ गए, चार्जशीट लोग पेश नहीं कर रहे थे। क्वेश्चन PM नरेंद्र मोदी से है कि अगर उन्होंने कहा था 2019 में कि नया कश्मीर आएगा, मैं उनसे कहती हूँ ये नया कश्मीर कैसा है जिसमें 8 साल FIR काटने को लगे और 3 साल चार्जशीट को लगे। तो मेरा सवाल उन्हीं से कि वो ये बात प्रूफ करे, अगर उन्होंने 2019 में बात कही थी वो प्रूफ करे कि जस्टिस सिस्टम कहां है, तो नरेंद्र मोदी को ही अब ये हल करना पड़ेगा।
International Gujar Mahasabha Srinagar held a press conference today to highlight major issues faced by the Gujars living across the borders of Jammu and Kashmir, including the establishment of J&K Border Scouts Battalion on the lines of Ladakh Scouts, providing official status to Gojri language, and providing actual line of control certificate to people of border villages of Karnabol and Uri sector. They also thanked the government for granting ST reservation that was pending since 1991 and the SC/ST Atrocity Act and Forest Right Act 2006 for Gujars of J&K.
कि गरीब आदमी को आने में 4 दिन लगता है, बर्फ गिर गई तो वापस कैसे जाएगा। तो हमारी मांग है कि श्रीनगर के अंदर एक गुजर भवन का निर्माण होना चाहिए, जिसमें कोई भी बाहर का रहने वाला, जिसका जो भी आप कानून बनाए, उसको यहाँ रहने की सुविधा हो जाए, क्योंकि वो बेचारा गरीब आदमी यहाँ पर आने के बाद 500 रुपये एक रात के नहीं दे सकता, न उसके पास गाड़ी है न घोड़ा है। तो एक गुजर भवन बने, ऐसी हमारी मांग है। और इस गुजर भवन के साथ अगर कोई जोड़ना चाहे तो जो अभी ट्राइबल्स और हैं जो इस ST के अंदर आते हैं, आप उनके लिए भी कानून बना सकते हैं, हमें बहुत खुशी होगी।
In a step further to develop its adopted village Seora and make females of this village self-dependent, the Rotary Club of Jammu Midtown organized a donation drive here today. The drive included donation of sewing machines, fabric, paper and other necessary accessories for making cloth bags. The special drive was organized for the below poverty line and economically weaker section of the society, people and aim of Happy Village.
ये जिन्होंने अडॉप्ट किया है ये सियोड़ा विलेज, मैं चाहता हूँ कि यहाँ के लोग भी इसका फ़ायदा पूरा भरपूर फ़ायदा लें और जो चीज़ें इनको नहीं आती हैं वो सीखनी भी चाहिए। ऐसे मौके जो बार बार नहीं निकलते हैं, ना मिलते हैं। यहाँ के जो लोग हैं ये काफ़ी गरीब लोग हैं और इसी पर निर्भर हैं, खेती बाड़ी या बेचारे मजदूरी करते हैं। तो हम चाहते हैं जो बच्चियाँ पढ़ी लिखी हैं वो भी आगे आएँ। जय।
Moving across to the world of entertainment, 6 days after its release, film Bell Bottom fails to get a good response in terms of earnings. Although critics and audience are liking it, but cinema halls are still empty. In the first weekend of the film could gain a 13 crore business, derailing to 2 crore by yesterday and more than rupees 15 crore in 5 days. Moving on to the sports section, India took the top spot in the WTC 2021-23 points table with their win against England at Lord's. While West Indies and Pakistan remained tied at second, their two-match series finished level at 1-1. Indian men's cricket team took the top spot in the World Test Championship 21-23 points table with West Indies and Pakistan tied at the second place. India have accumulated 14 points in the two matches that they have played against England. England are on the fourth spot with 2 points. And from across the world, the Taliban seems to be getting tough on other countries, including America, expressing a strong objection to the fact that America is taking engineers, doctors, and other professionals from Afghanistan with them. The Taliban made it clear in a press conference that they are not currently allowing women to go to work. The spokesperson said in the press conference that working women have been asked to stay at home till the situation becomes normal. The Taliban says decision has been taken keeping in view the security reasons. And as a part of military diplomacy and to strengthen the growing strategic ties with Kazakhstan, the 5th edition of the India-Kazakhstan Joint Training Exercise Kazind 21 will be conducted from 30th August to 11th of September at the training center in Ashbaby, Kazakhstan. The exercise is a joint training between the two armies and will boost bilateral ties between India and Kazakhstan. The Indian Army contingent, represented by the Battalion of Bihar Regiment, consists of a total of 90 personnel led by a contingent commander. The Kazakhstan Army will be represented by a group of companies. And that's all in this news bulletin. For latest update and more news, stay tuned with the news now. Jai Hind.